Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Let's go to make these hand warmers. In the first, make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Make a ring. Make 1 chain. Stitch first row in this ring. Yarn over. Insert your hook in this ring. Pull through, pull through. 1 crochet. Yarn over. Pull through, pull through. 2 crochet. Now we have 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Make a chain. Yarn over. 1 double crochet. 2 double crochet. 3 double crochet. 1 chain. 1 double crochet. Hide this yarn under stitches. 2 double crochet. 3 double crochet. 1 chain. And repeat. 1 double crochet. 2 double crochet. 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain. Go to this chain, first chain. Slip stitch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Go to next stitch, bring yarn, slip stitch. Go to this chain, slip stitch. Make first corner in here. Make a chain. 1, 2 double crochet. We have 3 stitches. 1 chain. 3 double crochet. I made 1 corner in this corner. 1, 2, 3 stitch, 1 chain, 3 stitch. Go to next corner, skip 3 chain, 3 stitches. Go to this corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet in this corner. Skip 3 stitches. Go to next corner, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet. Repeat this for next corners. In here, here, and here. Go to this chain, first chain, top of first stitch, slip stitch. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Join these pieces like this together. Fold it like this. Look like. Make one single crochet. Fold it. Join from this like it. Make single crochet. Turn it. Join from this. Join from here and here.